scripts. Let's learn about the output, errors, and how to counter errors. Now by looking at the script, it's pretty simple what it does. First, we find out where the part is, and then we tell the script that part equals game.workspace.bluePart. Remember game, then we go to the workspace, and then we go blue part. From there, we're looking at the part's transparency. The script will set it to 1, 0.3, 5.6, 5.6, 5.6, and then we have a print here. This will actually let us know that the script made it to this line. If you didn't know what happens, when we hit an error, the script stops. From there, it's going to line 9, 10, and at line 11, it's facing the error. From there, the script will stop, and this line will never go. So to show you this, I'm just going to go ahead and run the game. And as you can see, we did get an error here, but let's look at the print statements. The only print statement we can see is line 8. Now I do know it's showing us where the error is and what line it occurred on, but sometimes you won't see this. That's why it's important to know how to do this. So remember what the print statement says, stop the game and look at your script. As you can see, line 8 was printed right here. However, line 12 was never printed. So in order to fix this error, what I've done is for each individual line, I've added a print statement under it. After running the game, we can see line 8, 10, and 12, but we don't see line 14. This means that in between line 12 and 14, the error occurred. That leaves line 13, and as you can see, we found the error. From here, you would take a look and find out what's wrong. I spelled transparency wrong, and we're using a data type that won't work here. We need to use a number instead of a string. And by the way, this won't even work as a string. It needs to be inside quotes. Next, let's take a look at something really useful.